Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Nailsea today. I like Nailsea. I think there's 9 charity shops there at the moment. I usually end up spending too much money there. We'll start with the one in the middle. A radio controlled train. It's only a kiddie's one. What caught my eye was it got the transmitter with it. It's only a forwards backwards with a steering wheel, so when it goes forwards it goes straight, when it goes backwards it turns. I've no idea if it works. I've used sticky tape on it to hold it all together. 27 megahertz, made in China. £1.50 this cost me. The little hook on the back's broken off, but we're not going to be towing anything with it anyway. Oh, sounds like... oh dear. Oh, what fun. Right, looks like we need a battery. I wonder if it shuts up on its own. Right, okay, I'll take this apart and put some batteries in it. Well, on the positive side, there was no corrosion in there. I've put 2 fresh batteries in. And we got forwards and backwards. I think we could probably do with fresh batteries in there too, couldn't we? Okay, 3 batteries. 3 fresh batteries. Whoa, that's a bit faster. We can do wheelies. Oh. Okay, so it works. So you either use the controller or yeah, okay, that works, that's fine. For a bit of fun I might stick a camera in it and drive it around for a few minutes, but that's absolutely fine, that can go back to another charity shop. Now, who needs more than one channel when you can steer like that? Next, these 2 were in, oh, that one was Children's Hospice Southwest for there. This one was Deborah, charity shop for people with skin problems. 2008 Reader's Digest Children's Books Incorporated, Disney Pixar, made in China. I picked this up, first of all because it said 50p and I like anything that says 50 pence. But secondly, I turned it over, looked at it, and it's got sensors on the front here. This is one of those line followers. No idea if it works. 50 pence for that. And then I spotted this, a solar duck, £3. Now that's far too expensive for me buying something in a charity shop, even if it's in perfect condition. But because this was 50 pence, I thought, well, between the two of them, I'm probably still getting a deal. I'm a little bit confused what to do with this though. It's brand new, unused, and what I'm confused about is, do I do it myself, because I would love to make it, or do I leave it for one of my grandsons to have a go? Because I really, really, really would love to have a go myself. It's a walking, solar-powered duck. I'm going to have to leave it for my grandson to do, aren't I? But I really, 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 really want to do it myself. Still, that'll have to stay. Let him do that. That does look like fun. I hope it works. Edu Toys, Eco Science, Solar Duck. Assemble a powerful solar duck. Bright Minds Limited. I expect you can probably get them for a couple of quid on eBay. So that'll have to go to one side. That, I'll put some batteries in a minute and see if it works. Well, I might as well do that now, hadn't I? Just a tiny bit of rusty corrosion in there. Two AAA batteries. Yeah, two AAA batteries. There we are, two AAA batteries. Switch it on. Cover one of the sensors. Cover both of the sensors. Hang on. Looks like it might work. Tyres look a little bit worse for wear. I'll find something white and draw a line on it, see if it works. Piece of cardboard. Right, see what happens. Oh wow, brilliant. Oh, I'm really pleased with that one. Excellent. That is great. I've got a couple more of these line followers tucked away somewhere, so I might have to get them all out and just put them together, see how they get on. But that's brilliant, 50 pence, very pleased with that. That's probably the bargain out the whole lot. Right, finally, this. Now it looks pretty old. It's wire controlled. we've got forwards, backwards, left, right, and a couple of buttons. Whoa, a couple of old batteries in there. Yeah, they're dead. I think I've got some of them. But before we get excited, oh, Bat Hero, obviously playing on the name of Batman. But we turn it over and you might spot there's a little problem. It's missing a wheel. Not only is it missing a wheel, but that yoke there is broken on the end. So this is going to be a little project to try and get this one working. I have got quite a few steering bits out of cars that I've taken apart. So there's a chance we might have a match, or at least something I can modify that might fit. No chance of getting a matching gold wheel. So, don't know. Anyway, I'll go and get a couple of those D cells and see if it actually works anyway. Okay, we got left, right, forwards, backwards. Let's put that on properly. Come on, there we go. Okay, now these ones. Looks like they're supposed to open the doors. Yeah, there's clearly an arm in there. Just there. That's supposed to turn to open them. Doesn't quite do it though, does it? So, this will be a bit of fun. We'll be able to do a project taking it apart. And it works anyway with only one wheel. Oh, and the lights light up. That steering's a bit slow. Well, they come on with the motor. Only front one, so yeah, that's going to be an interesting little project. We'll do that, take that apart, see if there's any way we can fix the steering. and have some fun with it. See if we can fix the door opening bit. Bat Hero, I love that. No manufacturer name on it. Oh yes, there is. KS Toys. You see that? There we are, KS Toys. Bat Hero Gold Blaster.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.